Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the assembly of the new STEVI POS positioner on one of our control valves. For assembly, we first roughly align the positioner with the actuator. Once the positioner has been aligned, we then connect the air supply to the actuator, followed by the air supply to the new STEVI POS positioner. In order to connect the control signal, we first of all have to open the hood. The control signal is installed into the housing from the outside. For the final alignment of the positioner, I will now show you the back of the positioner. I use the arrow keys on the control panel to adjust the positioner correctly. To do this, I set the actuator to around 50% of the stroke. Then check that the positioner is parallel and that it is the correct height. After this, the assembly is completed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.